Hey everyone, this is Mahmoud Omar, Mechatronics Engineering student at the University of Jordan. Today's project is about transducers technology, and this circuit is going to measure distance and gas concentration. Let's see its components and how it works. Our first component is ultrasonic sensor, which has two eyes as you see, one for sending sound waves and the other is to receive it. This sensor measures distance. As you see here, I used HC SR04 sensor. Our second component is gas sensor. FC22 gas sensor, which measures the concentration of specific gases such as CO2. As you see, there's a lid on the back of it to show us that it works properly. Our third component is Arduino microcontroller, which will process the signals we get from the sensors, calibrate it, and show it on the LCD. As you see, it's connected to a 9-volt battery, which will be regulated to become 5-volt source to power up the circuit. Our final component is a liquid crystal display LCD, which will show us the data we get from the sensors such as distance and gas concentration. As you see here, it's connected to a potentiometer to calibrate the brightness of it. When I decrease the resistance, the brightness goes up. When I increase it, it goes down. These are the main components that I use to make the circuit. Now, let's see how it works. Let's start with the distance. I got a piece of paper to see how far is it from the ultrasonic sensor. As you see, the readings is on the LCD. I think it's obvious what's happening here. The ultrasonic sensor sends echoes of sound waves. When it reaches the surface of my paper, it reflects back to the trigger that receives the waves back. We have the speed of sound. We have the time the echoes took to get back to the trigger. From Physics 1, we can calculate the distance. Now, what about the gas sensor? I get a lighter here. When I slightly click on it, it releases gas. Check the LCD now. As you see, from 71 to 800, it increased a lot. There is a very high concentration of gas here. Even the sensor has a second light went on to show us that there is a dangerous level of gas here. Check it again. Now in this tutorial, we learned about distance ranging using ultrasonic sensor, and we learned about gas concentration sensing using FC22 gas sensor. I hope you learned from this video and had fun with it. This tutorial is sponsored by Robotics and Electronics Student Club, RISC. Thanks for them. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.